Today's video is going to be all about how to tackle awkward, unused real estate in your home. And the example I have that I need to do to give me more space, more storage space, is this mess right behind me and all that unused square footage that we are going to reclaim in the form of a shelf, a DIY shelf. I'm excited to get stuff out of my pantry and into here. Let's get started. Money saving tip while we were at Home Depot. Be sure to check out their 70% off pile. You may find little pieces to complement your project depending on what you're doing. We found some great pieces here for support, and I didn't have to spend hardly anything on it. We had them cut the wood so it would fit in my car better, and of course you have to grab the stain. This is great stain. So here are the pieces I brought home. I'm going to measure and cut them out on my saw. Safety first! So make sure you measure twice and cut once with this project. Wood prices are not like they used to be, and so this whole project cost me about $50 in supplies. For the stain, I picked a dark walnut, and this stain just took to the wood beautifully. I had a couple helpers with this next part. This little guy just had to make his YouTube debut. This stud finder is a pretty cool device. It hooks onto your smartphone with an app, and you can actually see the pipes and the wood behind. I'll put a link in my description on where you can buy that. Then you're going to want to secure your support beams to your studs. Once they're nice and secure, you're just going to add your top pieces. I went with these planks because I knew I wanted to stain the shelf and have a more clean look. You can use plywood as well if you're trying to save money. But there we are. Today I am basket hunting for the perfect baskets to put on my new shelf above the fridge in my laundry room. So many baskets. I think I found one to go above my fridge underneath the shelf. I wanted something nice and thin or short so that I can hide stuff in and still use that space right above the fridge, but now I need a taller one to go above that matches this, so wish me luck. As you can see, I did find a basket that matched. I'm really happy with how this project came out, and if you liked it also, then please subscribe, hit that like button, and share, and stay tuned for more videos.